the sweet smell of success.
Ahem. Does this look like a library, Mr. Mouskowitz?
Well, not really. I mean, no! Whoa! Oh, goodness! Mama, can I get my allowance for next week today?
Oh. Fievel, you spent next week's allowance last week.
I did? But I just gotta find out what happens to Montana Mouse. He's the bravest, roughest, toughest, sharpshooting cowboy ever to ride across the range. Yeehaw!
And he wears a frilly bonnet.
No, he doesn't. Huh? Hey, where's my hat?
Allow me, cowboy hat. By jinkies, I haven't seen a performance like that since Buffalo Bill's Wild West show.
Oh, well, his family gets a show every day, I'm afraid. Fievel, Montana Mouse will just have to wait.
Okay.
Madam, if this boy inherits your good sense, why, he will grow up to be a successful mouse indeed.
Well, thank you, Mr.
Dr. Travis T. Hippocrates, dispenser of miracle cures for everything, madam. Travis T. to my friends.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Dr. Hippopotamus. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must finish my errands. Oh, don't be late for dinner, Fievel.
Yes, Mama.
You know, Fievel, I could use an enterprising young cowboy like you in my business.
Like me?
Absolutely. And as a token of good faith and advance on your first paycheck, a copy of Mississippi Mouse for you.
Montana Mouse.
Exactly. Here.
Wow.
Keep the change. Well, time to go to work, partner. Here we are. Now, your job is to pass out these free candies, compliments of me, to let every mouse in Green River know that I'm here.
You mean I just give it away?
Exactly. Do a good job. Why, my goodness, there's no telling how many books you could buy.
Huh?
Customers only, partner. Every mouse in town but you.
Right. Every mouse in town but me. See ya, partner.
Fine, lad.
Courtesy of Dr. Travis T. Hippocrates, my new partner.
Ooh la la, for me? Fievel, you are such a sweetheart.
No, I'm not. I'm a cowboy.
That too, chérie.
Hi, Tiger.
Shh, shh, shh. Fievel's inside. I gotta concentrate. Shh.
Tiger, I'm right here.
Huh? Oh, boy, you mice are fast. Ooh, what'd you get, Five, huh? Huh? Let me see. Hey, if I guess what it is, can I have half? Cream puff. No, wait. Napoleon. Ooh, pimento loaf, right?
It's candy, Tiger.
Oh, that was gonna be my next guest, honest. Oh, let me have one. Come on, Five, please.
Sorry, Tiger. I'd like to, but Travis T. said customers only. Like them. Free candy?
A dingo, a wallaby, a kangaroo.
Sorry, Jack. Here, take a few. Courtesy of Dr. Travis T. Hippocrates, my partner.
Huh?
Dink Willy Wonkabat Kanga Hop Ding. What do you say, Fife? Better than Jack? Give me the candy.
Sorry, Tiger. Travis T. said you gotta be a mouse, too.
A mouse? Boy, this is tough.
Mama, who is this Dr. T? And why he pays our boy to give away candy?
Oh, such a nice and charming doctor, Papa. I'm sure he has a good reason.
Well, a job is a big responsibility, Fievel.
Fievel's sleeping. He's tired, Papa. Excuse me. Eva?
Yasha, no.
It's okay. I threw mine first.
Come with me, Tanya. I have a surefire cure for hiccups.
And I'll put our little businessman to bed.
Fievel, where is your sister?
Hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yup. Mama said she hiccuped all night.
Indeed. Well, then, Lorna, would you read today's poem?
Yes, sir. Mary had a little... sorry.
Lamb. Its fleece was as snow. And everywhere that went, I'm sorry.
Allow me. Quiet. The lamb was sure to... Oh, my. Class dismissed.
And I know right where I'm going.
Okay, Fife. Ta-da! What do you think? Give me the candy! Please.
Sorry, Tiger, I can't.
Aw, come on, please.
Can't. Besides, real mice eat cheese.
Cheese? Whatever you say, Fife.
I do not understand. This medicine always worked in Russia. Shh.
I tried that, Fievel.
Oh, Fievel, what are you doing home?
School was canceled. Whole class had hiccups. Even Mr. Ironside. Great. Hey, I bet Dr. Travis T can help, Mama.
What a good idea. Tanya, you must go with your brother right away.
Now, if we proceed extremely quietly, Chula, I beg your pardon.
It wasn't me, boss. Must have been them fur balls over there.
Shh.
Tracking a mouse with hiccups, not very sporting, but easier than wrestling over beef bones with a bulldog, eh, Chula?
Oh, no question about it, boss. Going somewhere, flea bags?
Us? Not really. Run for it, sis!
Headed my way, perhaps? You know, dear Fievel, it's at moments like these that I feel compelled to say... Table for two, please.
Let's go, sis!
Hey, come on, boss. Gee, boss, you don't look so good.
So, they want to play cat and mouse, do they? Come, Chula, and for heaven's sake, watch where you're going.
You don't say. Everybody's got the hiccups.
Uh-huh. Almost everybody.
Well, it just so happens that I have here a tonic that is guaranteed to cure the hiccups.
Yeah! Yeah!
However, I'm afraid my miracle tonic is not quite ready. Which gives you time to help me, partner.
Really? How?
By spreading the word that the cure will be ready late this afternoon right here at the medicine wagon. And, as always, for your trouble...
The doctor said the cure will be ready this afternoon at the wagon, Mr. Schimmel.
Oh, thank you, Fievel. I'm sure everyone will be there.
Now this sounds like a gathering the boss won't want to miss.
What do you think, Five? Cheese, see? Just like a mouse, huh?
Limburger.
Oh, great.
P.U. Mice hate Limburger, Tiger.
They do? I knew that. 'Cause I'm a mouse now, right? So how about some... candy?
Sorry, Tiger. I've got work to do.
But... come on, Fife. Just one itty-bitty little piecey-weesey pitty-pleasy. Oh, oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. How about 2, 5? Wait, 2 and 5? That's 7. Perfect. Oh, sarsaparilla. Oh, is this cat heaven or what? Lick your chops. Lick your chops.
The Schimmels, the Smythes, the bakery. I guess I told everybody about the cure.
And the good thing, the whole town has the hiccups.
You too, Mama?
Even your papa.
Gosh. Fievel.
Everyone but Yasha.
Candy, Fievel? Oh, sure, Yasha.
No, Fievel. Yasha's much too young for hard candy. That's why I didn't give her any.
Gee, it's gone. I must have dropped it.
27, 28. Hi, Fife. I brought you candy.
You ate them all?
I did? I mean, it just was a few. Oh, Fife, this feels funny. Wow!
Wait a minute. Candy? Hiccups? I gotta go see my partner.
All right, so you caught me. You want to know how it works? Well, it's simple. Supply and demand, son. You see, these candies supply the hiccups, as you have so astutely discovered, and the hiccups create the demand for a cure, for which folks will pay dearly, and voila, we're rich.
So there is a cure?
Well, not exactly. You see, time is the real cure. But there are these hiccup cure bottles.
But that's...
Cheating? Oh, harsh word, partner. Especially coming from a boy who now owns every Montana Mouse novel ever written. Exactly. You see, the way I see it, Fievel, you and me, we're cut from the same crooked cloth. And that's how everybody else will see it, too. So, I propose that you and I team up and clam up permanently. Partner?
But that's wrong. I won't do it.
Fievel, my boy, I'm afraid that was the wrong answer.
Mama, where's Fievel?
He should be here.
Look!
All right, now who wants hiccup cure?
Mama, Papa.
There's plenty for everybody. Now don't crowd. Keep that cash coming. Say goodbye to those hiccups. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, there's no need to push. Everyone will be served.
Oh, everyone will be served, all right.
Papa!
For dinner, that is. That's right, my little mouse morsels. Scoot along.
Is every mouse for himself now, sonny boy? No hard feelings, I hope.
Going up.
Cat R.Waul's got every mouse in town. We've got to help.
What we? I'm just a traveling sales mouse, and right about now, I start traveling.
But this is our fault, and that's my whole family out there.
Yes, my dear boy, and those are also whole cats out there.
Who cares? You may be a coward, but I'm not.
Gentlemen, I'm happy to announce that each of these hiccuping cheese eaters will be auctioned off to the highest bidder. All right now, let's start the bidding.
I wouldn't if I were you.
What's this?
Terrible risk eating hiccup-infected rodents. Why, just listen to them.
Oh, dessert.
Gentlemen, please. This is a simple ploy to save their scrawny little necks. Think, he's a mouse, they're mice.
And you are all cats. Soon to be sick cats if you eat those sickly rodents. Unless you protect yourselves with my patented anti-hiccup lozenges, specially formulated for intelligent cats of the feline persuasion like yourselves.
Ignore him, gentlemen. Let's start the bidding.
Boo. Whoa. Nice trip.
Whoops. Oh.
As you can see, fellows, it would appear that this good doctor makes house falls.
Oh, that's a good one, boss.
Friends, let it never be said that Cat R.Waul is careless with the health of his valued customers. Easy does it, boys. Plenty for everyone. Right, Tuna?
Right, boss.
And now, since our educated friend here was kind enough to help us, I say we auction him off first. Eh, gentlemen? An appetizer of sorts? What have I bid for this delicious tidbit? And remember, he is an MD, which in this case means mighty delicious.
I bid a nickel.
A nickel?
Yeah, a nickel.
Sold to Sweet William for a nickel.
What the? Gesundheit.
Gentlemen, please calm yourselves.
A party! Turn them all around. Cha, cha, cha.
Well, Fievel, it looks like your partner saved our biscuits and cooked his goose at the same time.
I'll say, Papa. And now Montana Mouse will have to save his neck. Yeah!
Fievel, I hate when you talk like that.
Yeah! Going my way, partner.
Apparently, that's my boy.
Papa, come on!
I don't know what to say, partner. Thanks to you, I'm a changed mouse.
You mean it?
You have my solemn oath. No more tricks, Fievel. I have turned over a new leaf.
Great.
Well, good luck, son, and say so long to Miami Mouse for me, would you?
Montana.
Exactly.
So long, Travis T.
Madam, this child is a prodigy.
Really?
Oh, unquestionably. Take it from me, Travis T. Hippocrates, world's finest physician. You will want to protect that throat, however. How about one of my famous medicinal lozenges to wet your whistle?
Sure.
Well, that's odd.
So long, partner.
Yes, exactly. So long, partner.
More candy. What do I have to be this time, Fife? A monkey? A cow? A cantaloupe? Sorry, Fife. I don't do fruit. Wait up. Maybe I do.